Christmas isn't expensive. Unplanned Christmas is. The difference between a calm December and a brutal January isn't how much you spend. It's whether anything was keeping score while you spent it. This is the Christmas Budget and Gift Command Center. 11 connected tabs that keep score for you. Here's the whole thing in about 5 minutes. Somewhere on your phone, there's a gift list from last year. And somewhere in January, there was a card statement you opened slowly. You didn't overspend in December. You overspent in the dark, a dozen stores, and no running total anywhere. So meet the sample season that ships inside. The Harper's Christmas 2026, a $1,200 budget allocated to the dollar. Everything on screen is their real working file. The dashboard is the belief the file is built on. The whole season, one screen. A live countdown, 164 days out in this sample, and it counts itself down from your year cell. The budget, $1,200. Spent so far, $626.48. Still in hand, $573.52. Below that, the gift pipeline, 3 ideas, 2 ordered, 2 arrived, 3 wrapped, 1 given, and a people board that flags anyone over their cap. Today, nobody. Deals have already clawed back $62, and 2 of 5 cards are out the door. Every gift gets a row and a status. Idea, ordered, arrived, wrapped, given. The Harpers have 11 gifts going, $453 estimated, $279 actually spent, and the header keeps score, 4 of 11 wrapped or given. Jake's bike helmet is already marked given, an early gift because he needed it. And the column nobody else ships, the hide spot. Emma's Lego set is wrapped and under the bed. Dad's drill is in the garage cabinet. 3 weeks from now, that column is the difference between calm and panic. Nothing gets found in a closet in February. People and caps is the guardrail. 8 people, $740 in caps. The watch column reads every gift and every stocking stuffer for each person. Past 90% of a cap, and the row whispers close. Past the cap, and it flags over by the exact amount. Emma's cap is $150, $59 spent, $92 still to play with. Nobody's over yet. That's the point of watching. The holiday budget splits the $1,200 across 9 categories. And here's the trick. Gifts, stockings, cards, and events don't ask you to type anything. They read their own tabs. Buy a gift, and this page already knows. That's how Spent so far stays honest at $626.48 without you doing bookkeeping. Black Friday with receipts. 6 deals watched, regular price against deal price. Dad's drill, $129 down to $79, $50, 39% off. The sheet only counts a deal once you mark it got, $62 saved on wins so far, a 33% average discount. Watched isn't saved, and the sheet knows the difference. For support tabs, quickly. The holiday calendar, 5 events, $65. Next up, December 4th. Cards and shipping, 2 of 5 cent, ship by dates so nothing lands in January, $19 of postage. The menu planner, 8 dishes across 3 gatherings, who brings what, $48. And stocking stuffers, 6 little things, $36, tracked per person, so the little things stay little. And the tab that ends the January cycle for good. Next Year Fund takes this year's true total, $626.48, divides it by 12, and rounds to a clean $5, $50 a month. Start sipping in January, and next Christmas never touches the card. There's no annual reset here either. Change 1 year cell, and the whole file rolls forward. Buy it once, use it every Christmas. Under the hood, 306 formulas, recalculated clean with 0 error cells, and 36 out of 36 independent math checks. Every headline number re-derived from scratch and matched. And everything you've seen in this video is the real file, not a mock-up. What you download is what's on screen. That's the Christmas Budget and Gift Command Center. Every gift, every dollar, every deal, one comm screen, and next December already paid for. It's $14.97 once, no subscription, free lifetime updates, and 12 printable gift tags in the box. The link is in the description. This year, the list checks itself. Be the calm one.